What's going on, everybody? Doing a real quick review today. So welcome to Always Occupied Home Product Reviews, and today we got this in from Amazon. It was Prime Day sale, so this is a hook. So if you're a fan of flowers, bird feeders, and stuff like that, I got this little swivel hook. Now, the pictures look deceiving. It looks actually smaller than what it actually is. So, let me tell y'all real quick. You're looking at about 17 inches, okay? 17 inches out, or almost 8. Well, if you go from point A to point B right here, 18 inches, okay? So, in the box, when you buy it, this was $11, so price might have went up by now. But just in case you want this kind, it swivels, and they gave us a screwdriver. Yeah, like we're really going to use this. Got so many screwdrivers in this house because of products. So here goes the part that goes on your wood. So you screw this in. You place this inside. And then you can put it in any angle you want to put it in. Okay, and then you have the screw to tighten or what direction you want to go. All right. So right now we'll leave it like this. All right. So basically, and that's tight. I didn't even tighten all the way yet. So with it being tight, hand tightened, you can still turn a little bit. It still got a turn to it. All right, now this looks like it's been used because I see scratches on it already, but that don't really bother me. I don't really care. It's gonna get scratched up anyway. So my concern is when you tighten this, you may need to get yourself some pliers and make it real tight, because if squirrels jump on your feeder, well, if you're using plants, you don't need to get that serious about it. But when you got squirrels and animals that get on the feeder, if you don't tighten it tight, see, I hand tighten and it's still turning. So my suggestion is to use a pliers. Now they give you 4 screws for the most part, unless you're putting this in concrete or brick, your brick wall. You may need these anchors. Other than that, we're putting it into a solid wood, so we'll just be using the screws. And these are better screws than what usually come in these things. Usually they have these type of screws. Luckily, I got one laying around. Usually they have these type of screws, and it's hard to use the drill gun with these cheap screws. But these are flat heads. The round heads I don't like, but the flat screws, I like these. So, and if so, I got some galvanized screws, so I'll use that for outdoor screws. A lot of screws that come with these, they rust, so as you can tell, this was an outside one and it's getting rusty. So take that in consideration when you buy these things. A lot of the screws rust over time, so grab some exterior screws just to have handy in your home. So other than that, I mean, that's it. This wasn't too big of a review. I'll post some pictures on my Instagram. Follow my Instagram.